Hi, welcome back. In the previous module we learned how to use the File System Watcher to respond to changes in the file system. Currently the application doesn't actually do any processing of the input files, and in this module we're going to add functionality to actually perform some processing on the detected input files. So in this module we're going to start off by learning how we can read entire text files into an in-memory string representation. We'll also learn how we can write an entire string to a new file. We'll also learn how we can read an entire text file into memory, but rather than into a single string object, we get each line in a separate string array element. And we'll also learn, if we have an array of strings, how we can write this out to a new text file on disk. When we're reading and writing text files, we can specify text file encodings, so we'll have a look at this. And we'll also learn how we can quickly append text to an existing text file. The console application that we're building needs to support not only text files, but also binary files. So we'll learn how we can read an entire binary file into memory, and also how we can write binary data to a new file on disk. By the end of this module, the application will be able to process text and binary files, but it's going to do this by reading the entire contents of these files into memory, doing some processing on them, and then writing out some output. There are some benefits and drawbacks to this approach, so we'll discuss some of these considerations. So without further ado, let's head over to Visual Studio and we'll learn how we can read the entire contents of a text file into a string.